Hello and welcome to our English Unlocked channel. English grammar exercise. Each sentence has a blank space, and you will find 3 options for the possible answer. Choose the correct option to fill in the blank. Before we begin, take a pen and paper so you can do that. Color the notes while listening, then leave the answer in the comments. Are you ready? Let's get started.
My keys on the kitchen counter.
Left.
She, to the party last night.
Didn't go.
We usually breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Have.
The students, studying for the exam.
Have been.
Sarah, her homework, when the phone rang.
Was doing.
They, to the beach every summer.
Go.
The baby, asleep during the car ride.
Fell.
I can't find my phone. I think it at work.
Left.
Mark, his sister since yesterday.
Hasn't seen.
The movie, by millions of people.
Has been watched.
My mother, dinner when I arrived home.
Was cooking.
She, to the gym 3 times a week.
Goes.
Their flight if they don't hurry.
Will miss.
A great time at the party last night.
Had.
The book, on the table.
Is.
The children, excited about the upcoming field trip.
Are.
She, her guitar every day.
Plays.
Their homework before going out to play.
Finished.
You seen the latest movie?
Have.
A book, when I heard the thunder.
Was reading. Share your score in the comments section.